Please be online. Very good morning to Christopher and Anastasia. Please be online. Let's go with the disclaimer. We have one more presentation. Please be online. This is the last one by Harshit and Group. Harshit Kunal and Group.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning.
Sir, we are going to present.
Please make sure all your group members are present. Please make sure. This is the final chance. After that, I'm not going to give any chance. So make sure all the group members are present.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Shivani will start the presentation. Shivani, are you there?
Please turn on your video. Whomsoever is going to present, don't forget to turn on your video.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, but not visible.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the SWOT analysis of Toyota Motors. Let's start with the strength. The strength of a business refers to the area which keeps it far ahead in competitors. The strong points of the Toyota in the automotive market are as follows. First, we will talk about the strong human resources. A company needs skilled and professional human resources to grow bigger. Toyota is blessed with the huge human power throughout the world. They have invested in the getting resources and the return they get is big. As of December 2015, they have 348,877 skilled human resources around the world. Then next, innovative organizational structure. While it comes to advanced operative system and functional strategies, Toyota will always be on the top. From widely practiced management system to learn manufacturing details, Toyota has set an example for the following companies. Strong brand image. This is obviously one of the most important strong points of Toyota. Whenever people look for cars, they search for the brand name Toyota, and that has kept them far ahead of their competitors. Then we will talk about the weakness of the Toyota Motors. Harshit.
Sir, now Isha will go further.
Good morning, sir. Now I will talk about the weakness of Toyota. Talking about the weaknesses of a business means the areas where it can improve a lot. These are the areas where the business has much to do with for the improvement. The weak pointers of Toyota are as follows. First, dependence on suppliers. As Toyota has suppliers around the world, they have to depend on them. It makes the production a bit slow. Second, not grabbing markets. Toyota has developed green vehicle technology, but it has been failed in grabbing the actual market where it would be implemented accurately. The market of in India can be the best for launching these vehicles, but there is still time. Third, negative publicity. This happens due to the large vehicle recalls. Any type of vehicle recalls affecting the automaker, and Toyota is no exception. Also, the recall rates are higher in Toyota, and that can cause more negative publicity. Then, opportunities of Toyota. The growth of developing nations perspective is changing, and now people are more inclined to buy cars. In the developing nations, the demand for cars is exuberating. Green vehicle technology may be slower, but the green vehicle technology is gaining popularity around the world. If Toyota focuses on these areas, they will get much revenue from this innovation. Growing concern for environmental pollution. People around the world is getting more concerned about the environmental degradation and are also willing to do it their bit. This is the high time to popularize Toyota's environmental friendly.
Good morning, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
So, sir, threats will be carried by me. These are the
Please
best
turn on
friend.
your video.
Yes, sir.
Video on करो.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. These are the factors that can make a business face downturn if not taken care early. So the potential threats of Toyota are as follows. Number of competitors. Toyota is competing with huge names in the market like Volkswagen, Ford, Hyundai. It makes it quite hard to make strong feet in the market. High priced raw materials. As the cost of raw materials is increasing, that is also increasing the cost of the end product. Lower profit. The continuous threat of exchange rates is always there. When the revenues are sent back to Japan in the yen, that becomes quite lower profit in comparison to other currencies. Then our second company is Amazon. So strengths of Amazon. Being the world's leading online retailer, Amazon derives its strength primarily from three pronged strategic thrust on cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. This strategy has resulted in the company reaping the gains from this course of actions and helped us, its shareholders, derive value from the company. Amazon primarily derives its competitive advantage from leveraging IT and its use of e-commerce as a scalable and easy to ramp up platform that ensures that the company is well ahead of its competitors. One of the key strengths of Amazon is that it enjoys top of the mind recall from consumers globally, and this recognition helped in enter venue market, which were hitherto out of bound. And sir, weakness will be carried by Yashvi.
Good morning, sir. Uh, in weakness, in recent years, Amazon, as a part of this diversification strategy, has been spreading itself too thin, meaning that it has allowed as a focus to waver from its
Who
core
is presenting
competence.
right now?
Yashvi,
You don't have your cell phone with you?
sir, I am presenting the slide.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, waver from its core competence of relating books online and allowed itself to venture into newer focus areas. While this might be a good strategy from a diversification perspective, Amazon has to be conscious of losing its strategic advantage as it moves away from its core competence. As Amazon offers free shipping to its customers, it is in the danger of losing its margins and hence might not be able to optimize on cost because of this strategy. Considering the fact that Amazon is an online only retailer, the single minded focus on online retailing might come in the way of its expansion plans, particularly in immigrant markets. Now, next opportunity with
Lead by
Kunal.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes. So, opportunities. By rolling out its online payment system, Amazon has the opportunity to scale up considerably, considering the fact that concerns over online shopping, as far as security and privacy are concerned, are among the topmost issues of the minds of consumers. Further, this would improve the company's margins and its let it reap the advantages of using its own payment. Another opportunity is with Amazon can capitalize on relates to its rolling out more products under its own brand instead of being a forwarding site of third-party products. In other words, it can be increase the number of products under its own brand instead of merely selling the stocking products made by its partners. Now threads will be read by Harshit. Siddhant. So Siddhant is joining in 2 minutes.
hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, Siddhant is absent today, so he will not participate.
Siddhant. Siddhant Jain. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What
Last
about
slide was supposed to read by him.
Harshal, Darshik, and Viraj?
No, sir. Sir, they all
Harsh,
are absent. Only we five
have you
students are
tried to
present.
contact them?
Yes, sir. I am trying to contact them before the lecture ends.
You please try once again. We'll wait for few minutes for them because this is the
Yeah.
final chance. You
Thank
again
you,
call
sir. Thank
them.
you.
You again
Yes,
call
sir. I am
them.
trying. Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, Siddhant is joining in 2 minutes. Siddhant and Viraj both are joining in 2 minutes.
Yeah, what you said, please repeat it.
What, sir?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Siddhant,
Yes, sir.
uh,
Good morning, sir.
first two paragraphs will be read by you, and
वीडियो
after
ऑन करो
when Viraj will go further.
सिद्धांत वीडियो ऑन करो अपना
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Threats are one of the biggest threats of Amazon. One minute. One of the biggest threats of Amazon to Amazon's success is the increasing concern over online shopping because of identified theft and hacking, which leaves its consumer data exposed. Therefore, Amazon has to move quickly to allay consumer concern over its site and ensure that online privacy and security are guaranteed. Because of its aggressive pricing strategy, the company has had to face lawsuits from publishers
Okay.
and rivals in the
Siddhant, stop
retailing
there.
industry. Thank you, sir.
we have three more left Harshal Darsil and Viraj you please
Sir,
give them
Viraj
last
is
word
joining, but Harshal is
okay
absent, sir.
make it fast make it fast
Sure.
Arshit, we are waiting. Please make it fast. It's about to
Sir,
complete.
1 minute only, sir. 1 minute. He is joining, sir. Please.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
1 minute.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am not presenting. I am not in the group. I have a question, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, I didn't get any partner for make a group.
Yeah, don't worry
So,
for that. Yeah, the thing that we are
sir,
working on it, those who are
sir,
yet
can I
not
do it?
presented. Yeah, first
Sorry,
listen to
sir.
me, Raj. I'm speaking something. Listen to me. Those who have not presented till date, or those who were absent during the presentation, will make a separate group of those students and they have to present. So by today evening or by tomorrow, you will get the intimation for the same through WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And then you have
Uh,
to collaborate with those students.
okay, sir. If there is no group, then I will do it by
Ah,
myself.
then you can alone present.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Done deal. Done.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, Viraj is facing some network issues, sir. He is not able to join.
Do one thing. You give him a WhatsApp call and turn on your mic, turn on your speaker. Anyhow, you try to do it.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
Just want his face to be recorded during this presentation. You can go with the
Sure,
WhatsApp
sir.
video call.
Okay, sir.
Whatever the things is there, please make it fast.
Yes, sir.
Arshit, Kunal, we are waiting. By the time Yasvi, you are requested to turn on your video. You can stop the presentation and turn on your video. Yasvi, you can stop the presentation. Last 3 minutes, then we'll end up the session. Last 3 minutes, then we'll end up our session. Yashvi, you are requested to turn on your video. Yashvi, can you hear me?
કાંઈ પણ આનો કંઈક તો હવે હું કરું છું એને કે ક્લાસમાં કરે તો 2-5 મિનિટ જો કરે.
Yashvi, this is final call to turn on your video, turn on your camera. Otherwise, you will be excluded from this presentation. You won't get any marks for this.
Yes, sir. Viraj is here.
Aggressive pricing strategy, the company has had to fetch lawsuits from producers and rivals in the retail industry. Obsessive focus on cost promising that everyone follows and solves the problem of the company because of the competitors being upset with Amazon taking a business model.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Yeah, I said Yashvi frequent times that turn on your video, but she is not doing, so she will not get any marks for this presentation.
sir, Yashvi has started from my phone, sir.
Yeah, that's true, but I clearly said, even I have texted in the chat box that you are requested to turn on your video or camera, otherwise you will be excluded from this presentation.
Sir,
So
she
what does it
started a
mean?
video, sir.
Hey, what does it mean? I said that you can stop your presentation when we were waiting for others to join. So during that time, I requested that you stop your presentation and turn on your video.
Okay, sir, we are
What should-
coming to class.
Anyway, here we are going to end up the session. That's it for the day. Yes, we will not get any marks for this presentation. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, guys. Please mark your attendance and then you may leave.